What's up guys? In this video we're going to be installing some roof rack crossbars on my girlfriend's 2018 Subaru Forester from Yitamotor. And these two boxes go together, but you won't see what's in that box in this video. We're just going to be installing the crossbars, which are in this box, and those are the bars that'll go across there to where you can mount like a roof rack or like a cargo container, etc. And this is a roof rack from Yitamotor, but that will not be installed in this video, so stay tuned for that video. But today we're going to go ahead and install the crossbars so that we can install the roof rack later. So let's go ahead and unbox these. I need you to help me. This is Lauren in her Subaru jacket, Subaru car girl. So these will just attach to the OEM bars on the roof there, and then you can attach other stuff to them. So help me pull those out. Boom. Okay, there go the included tools. From Yitamotor, we have an Allen wrench and the instructions for installation. So let's go ahead and unwrap the crossbars. Come packaged nicely, so don't have to worry about that. And then this is what the end looks like here. And you can see they have this nice, let's see if it'll focus. But they have this matte black textured finish, and they are metal. They feel very sturdy. And then they have these padded rubber pieces here, and that's what will attach them to the bars on the top of the car. But they feel very sturdy to me. They're also adjustable, so they'll fit a few different cars, and also like moving them forward and backwards on the car, since they are at a little bit different widths and angles on the car. But I'm going to go ahead and get them both unboxed, and then we'll start showing you installing them on the car. So installing these is actually really simple. I'm going to show you how to prep this one for installation, and we already installed this rear one here, and it actually only took honestly less than 5 minutes to install. And it is extremely sturdy. Like, you can shake the whole car with it and it's not budging. So I would have absolutely no doubts attaching anything to those. And you'll see in our next video on this car that installing the roof rack to these. But for a 2018 Forester, which is any Forester of this generation, these needed to be adjusted all the way out. As you can see, they are shown here in order for it to fit. And then to put it on, all you got to do is loosen this Allen nut here and just get it pretty loose, because you'll need a decent bit of room. But you don't actually have to take this all the way out. That'll just complicate things, because you don't want to have to like reach through and put this washer and nut back in. And then once you got those loosened, you should be able to wiggle these things around, and you'll just spin them off to the side like this, and then that's what they will look like. And then same with this one, like this. You can't really do it like one side at a time, because then you won't have enough room to spin this around. So once you have both of them spun around like that, you just set it on top of the bar. The roof bar is already on there, and it'll kind of snap into these rubber things. So I'll have my girlfriend video me doing that so you can see it. And then once it's on there, you just flip these back around under the bars that are already on the roof, and then tighten down those Allen nuts, and it'll be finished installing basically. So I just want to correct, I misspoke in that last video. It would be better if you just loosened these before putting it on. Don't take them out, but just loosen them so you can adjust these back and forth. Because the one we put on the rear, they did need to be all the way out like this, but on the front, they need to extend out some. So I'm just going to loosen all of these so that I can adjust them and just kind of make it fit wherever we want to put it on the roof. And then also I took the rubber things out of here because they are fairly loose and you can just remove them. So I just set them here on the roof bars, and you can see they're just little rubber things, and I kind of marks the spot, and then we can just set the crossbar down on top of this, flip the little piece under, and then tighten them down. And then after we tighten down the top Allen key, you'll just have to tighten up the two ones on the bottom that are there for adjusting it. So after you've loosened these, you can see they slide back and forth to adjust where you need to have them. And then I have these rubber things here on the bars. So I'm just going to set these down on top of the pieces of rubber that kind of just basically keep it from scratching. And then I will flip down the piece on the underside, and that'll hold it on, and then I'll go to the other side and then just flip this one down too. So here's what they look like all installed. You can see there's the rubber grommet type thing on the seal which holds it on back there and in the front. And keep in mind that the one for the rear is shorter and the one for the front is longer. You won't really notice just straight out of the box, but once you go to putting them on, you will realize that this one doesn't adjust as long as this one. So keep that in mind, and I just recommend loosening these Allen bolts under here so that it's just loose and you can adjust it to wherever you want to put it on the roof. And then after that, just put them on, you know, flip these little pieces underneath 180 degrees around. And also keep in mind that these only have 150 pounds of weight capacity, but I mean, you can see it feels super strong, doesn't make any noise or anything. But that is pretty much it for this video. Just make sure to check that you tighten down all of these bolts, that everything fits good, and that you can shake it and it is completely sturdy. But that is pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for the one where we install the yitamotor roof rack on top of these roof bars, and I will leave a link down in the description and pin a comment where you can find these roof bars. I think they're definitely like the best budget option out there, because when I was shopping around I could not find any that were cheaper, and these are like still great quality. And if you don't need to go above 150 pounds weight capacity, I think these will more than do the job. But that's pretty much it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and check out yitamotor in the link in the description below. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.